welcome back. We are at the final week. We have a winner. We have found a winner of our tool, and right now, as you can see here, we've had somebody comment on all these. I'll open all 5 of them up, and it's the same person. Spark was the first one, or actually the first one, first week. Week 1 was carbon. Week 2 was shift. Week 3 was moisture for the brake fluid. Week 4 was gears for the gear oil, and week 5 was spark for the spark plug. So we do have a winner, and that's it. All right, guys, I'll be sending out his jump starter this week as soon as I get some information from him, and we'll go from there. All right, have a good day.